We're at my favorite little mud gully. And we're gonna run it in reverse today. Give y'all a change of flavor. Try not to flip this thing over. I've never been down this hill. That's an awful lot of weight. This thing is super top heavy. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's even doing that. Wow. That was just amazing. Did not think it would even do something like that. Just way too top heavy. And I don't have the suspension even set up on this thing yet to ride this much weight. My little gully's nice and muddy today. That's normally pretty tough to get up. One down, it's not bad at all. I was able to save that. I'm trying to keep y'all in frame, but at the same time I'm trying to pay attention too, so I do apologize. Oh goodness. My little tank, no matter what body I put on it. Up here and push these rapids a little bit. lost a tire. Go up this hill here. No problem. Until I say no problem. There we go. All right, let's load up and let's go to our next little spot. There you go. We'll make it 2-ton heavy. There we go. All right, let me load up. Well, some of y'all know this little area. This is where the Rangers went down. Oh, woo. Boy, recording, driving, no joke. Jeez Louise. I need a camera person to come out on my adventures. We can't make it down that. I wanted to go over to the hillside over there, play around. So let me pick it up and carry it over. I want to check this bank out over here. That's probably as far as I'm gonna be able to make it. I don't know. Might be, oh, nope. That was as far as we was gonna make it. All right, let me get this thing squared away.